Hey guys, it's Bhavith. So today we're going to learn about HTML. So HTML is hypertext markup language, and now we'll go with HTML text. First, we'll get to type HTML. As you can see here, it defines the document's type. Then we will get the HTML again. Here, as you can see below the doc type HTML. Then we will get the head below the head, the HTML. Then we will get the title, the page title below the head one right here. Then we will get the head, the slash head here below the title. Then we will get the body below the head tag, as you can see here. Then we will, after like 2 line space, then we will get the head one, also known as heading 1 here, as you can see below. Then we will get the P1 for paragraph 1, and we can also repeat P2, P3, P4 for paragraph 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can write as many as possible, as you can see here. For example, here, yes. Then we have the, after 2 line space, then we have body and HTML, as you can see here. And so yeah, this is all about HTML in 1 minute 45 seconds. And that's it for today. Bye.